Now this is program number 3. The statement has been given to us. Let's try to analyze this program. Okay, and let's try to find out some of the important variables. Now, as usual, this is basically some sort of variables. Okay, this is the analysis process, marks of 3 subjects. It means we have to declare 3 different variables for different subject marks. So marks will be input through these different subjects, and then we have this total marks. So we have to calculate the total marks, and then we have to calculate the average marks as well. Okay, so if the average marks is more than 80, there is a condition. If average marks is greater than 80, then it should print us these 2 messages. So let's try to work on this program. And as usual, first of all, we have to declare 3 different variables. For example, PLC, programming language concept, database system concept, okay, database concept, and the other one is this web. So we have declared 3 different variables, okay, for 3 different subjects. And then let's try to total marks. Let's try to declare another variable, total marks, and average marks, avg marks. Okay, so these are the different variables that we have declared in this program. First of all, we need to print message to the user, please enter marks, or please enter programming marks. Now marks will be input. Okay, let's try to put some space here for readability, PLC. Okay, and then let's try to write this thing. For a simple message, we write this statement, please enter database marks, and line cn, and then dbc cout, please enter web marks. Web, and after this we need to calculate the total marks. Okay, how can we calculate the total marks? We need to add these different subject marks, PLC plus DBC, database concept, plus web, and after this we need to calculate the average marks. So this is how we calculate the average marks. Average marks is equal to, okay, we will divide the total marks. Okay, total marks divided by 3.0. Okay, that's why we need to, first of all, we need to print this total marks, that's equal to total marks in line manipulator, and then we have this average marks, that's equal to avg marks. That's it, program is completed. So now let's try to run this program, and okay, no, program is still left here. We need to put the if condition as well. If average marks, okay, that's greater than 80, because this was the condition. Okay, so it had to the program has to print us 2 messages. First one, cout, you are above standard, and cout admission granted. So that's it. Let's try to run this program and see the result. Now first of all, we need to input marks of PLC programming class, and that is, let's assume that a student has got 75 marks, okay, in programming class, and in the database the student has got 75. Here in web marks 81. So it will show us total marks. Okay, total marks out of 300 is 251. This is the average marks, 83.66. okay, and then because it is greater than 80, that's why it printed as you are above standard, admission granted. Okay, let's try to work on this. Okay, for the format, or let's try to print something like cout a straight line. Okay, this is straight line and end line. So now let's try to run this program and see the result again. Okay, fine. So assume that student in PLC has got 91, in database 85, and here in with 92. So you can see total marks is how much, that is 268. The average marks is 89.33. According to the condition is true, you are above standard, so this statement is executed, admission granted. Now if let's suppose we run this program for one more time and we input value 71, 69 in database and 66 in web. Now it means that the average will not be equal to 80 or above than 80, so nothing will be displayed. You can see total marks, that's equal to 206, average marks is 68.666. Nothing has been displayed after this line. Thank you very much for watching the video.